Hi guys. We are going to get saman. And I got out of the house after forever.
Are you vlogging?
Yeah, I'm vlogging. What the fuck, bro?
You're gonna post this on YouTube?
Maybe. Yes. He bought these pair of pants after begging, and it's shit expensive. And it's the track pants, okay?
Track.
Yeah. And it came today, and today he came out with me to buy saman because he can wear the pants today. Can you imagine?
That's not the reason.
It is the reason. Do not even lie to me. He has been so shit excited, and he was waiting to wear this, and just to get saman now he's worn this pant.
They don't look good on this floor. I'm wearing slides. Oh.
You just look homeless. That I know. That everyone
look
knows.
homeless.
I also look homeless. I'm
You're
not saying I don't
homeless.
look homeless. Shut the fuck up. Sorry, I don't swear.
When you're living in the family thing, I'm literally gonna say you're homeless because you are homeless.
He's so mean. I think you're waiting for me to go to college. So that
I can say you're unemployed also.
I am. Bro, I'll be going to college. Obviously, I'm unemployed.
Exactly.
Hater, he is hater.
No, you're jobless.
Jobless. Obviously, I'm jobless. Bro. I've been jobless my whole life. What logic is this, idiot?
But you are gonna be homeless.
Homeless?
Yeah. You're gonna be homeless. When you're in college, homeless. When you're living with the family, homeless.
Homeless. No, yeah, I have home here. Hater, he is hater. Wait, hater.
You're a hater.
You're literally the hater. You just call me homeless, jobless, everything. Unemployed. Okay. You are also all of these things.
Achha.
All of them.
I'm not homeless. You're going to be
So
homeless.
even I'm not
You're going to be
homeless.
homeless.
So this is also my home only, no? Here
You're
only.
going to be homeless.
Arey, even if I go there, I'll have home here. No, so that
Past,
does not
present.
make me homeless.
Future.
No, you need to shut up.
You shut up.
Fun. Interesting. Hater. Oh, we're gonna make. What are we gonna make today? Caprese. Yeah, it's like tomatoes with basil and like what is that cheese called?
Parmigiano Reggiano.
No. Shit, bro, have to go
American
buy
cheese.
it. No.
Amul cheese.
No.
Britannia.
No. Arey, the ball. The
the
burrata.
ball, the
Burrata. Jesus
I
Christ.
literally ate burrata the day before yesterday.
Where?
Huh?
Where?
We went go-karting.
Oh, yeah, I have to buy burrata.
Yeah.
So it's all of that with sauce.
Balsamic.
Yeah, balsamic sauce.
Balsamic.
Sauce. It is the best thing ever. So now we're gonna go buy
Holy
that.
grace.
Holy, bro, it is
Holy
that good.
grace.
It is that good.
You're a grazer.
He also loves it, and that's why, bro, we fought with our mother. She was about to make us eat
A
mushroom. Mushroom.
Butter and mushroom.
Bro, I just could not.
Butter paneer, butter and mushroom.
Mutton and mushroom, I could not. I can't take that. Sorry. Forgive me. Oh, cool bike.
The Royal Enfield.
Yar. Okay. Wait. इसका अलग vlog बनाऊंगी मैं. I will post this today.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
I look poopy.
So do I, bro. I look more homeless than you do. What do I say?
I'm wearing 3K pants.
You're wearing 3K pants. I'm wearing a 3K hoodie. So it's okay. भैया आपके पास बेसिल है क्या? हाँ हाँ थोड़ा ही चाहिए. Hi guys, we are in fancy dukaan now. Got the basil. Basil is a must. You should smell this shit, bro. It's amazing. What do we need to find? Burrata. Can we ask where? भैया चीज किधर रखते हो आप? अच्छा. Look at this, bro. Ice creams, yogurts. Where is cheese? Okay, cheese. Do they have burrata? I seriously hope they have burrata.
Yes, they do. No, they have mozzarella.
Mozzarella di bufala. I don't want mozzarella di bufala, bro. I want burrata. Okay, cream cheese mascarpone. I don't want this. It is mozzarella. Does mozzarella work? Yeah. They have ricotta, cream cheese. Okay, you hold this.
Cheesy mozzarella, cherry mozzarella.
Bossini, little bites. Cherry size mozzarella.
Oh, I love this cheese.
Bossini. Wow.
The soup.
Bro, why does it look so nice? Okay, I will make them stand here somewhere. No.
There's rapoki here, bro.
Shit, bro. We should. Oh my god, there's so much
Exactly.
ramen. What the hell?
Exactly.
Okay.
You told me to what?
Look, it is little mozzarellas.
Yeah,
But we can't have it like that now, can
oh
we?
yeah, it is little mozzarella.
I know.
Wow.
Pakka.
Can I have some?
We will call our mother. 1 second. We got what we wanted, and now he begged me for some milkshake. So we got that. 3:35. Okay, not bad. We got everything else. No, we don't need anything else.
We got this. We need the bread.
What bread? No bread. There's no bread in that.
Then what is it?
It's just the tomato, basil, and the cheese.
Okay.
450 415 20 लेगा दे
20 GPay कर दूँ? Yes, we got the cheese. We got the basil also. Because we are impatient bitches and we couldn't wait till tomorrow. So we will do this for dinner. Jay cribbed, so I bought him some milkshake. Yes, and he's drinking it. You have to throw it before we reach home. Mama will end us otherwise. She'll end me because I am spending the money. Yes. Nice time. Okay. Nice moon is there outside. You wanna see?
Did he?
Bro, my shitty camera can't even capture the moon. It's a new phone, for God's sake.
iPhone 17 by the way.
iPhone 17. Jay just said how lucky I am to move to a different country because anything is more aesthetic than India. And I tried to make an argument, then he showed at the street we were walking on, and then I gave up. Continue, what were you saying?
I was planning to move out before kindergarten, but
8 years too late to move out. Okay, it's okay. Have to
someone's
add.
following us.
Who's following us? No one is following us, bro. What nonsense. He made me freak out for a second. हो गया भाई, इसके बाद तो हमारी माँ हमें घर से ही ना निकलने दे. हो गया फिर lockdown. Wow. Guys, he's teaching me new terms. He's making me feel old. Y'all are older than me. What the hell?
You are old. Like what?
Everyone watching this video, I swear to God, is older than me. There might be not one person younger than me.
No.
Acha, you don't count.
Me and my friends.
Bro, why did you give this account to your friends? I do not understand. I look. Shut the hell up. He said, you know what is it? Like, he said, imagine being slimed by a dog, and I was like, huh? Okay, and then he went, what did he say?
Getting.
Whatever. So I was like, what do you mean slimed? And then he said, what do you think slime means? So, because genuinely slime आया दिमाग में, bro. Slime is slime, bro. like you know, Nickelodeon slime. I don't know, bro. What the fuck? Okay, and then he just made fun of me for the past like 10 minutes, and then he says,
Instagram for the past like 500 trillion years, bro.
I'm texting someone. Okay, so then what? Yeah, then he said that slimed means getting killed. What the hell, bro? This generation has an issue, and sadly he falls in the same generation as I do. Whatever. You missed it by 6 days.
I don't care.
6 days. His birthday is on 24th December. Okay, 6 days. Otherwise he would have been in Gen Alpha, bro. Ew. You should have been born later.
I should have been born?
Later.
No, I should have been.
Hi guys. Come. I'm cutting tomatoes. That's Jez cleaning basil.
Basil. No, cut that out. Cut that out.
Basil. No, I'm keeping it in.
Cut that out.
You embarrass yourself more. I am
You're an
all for
embarrassing person.
the audacity, I tell you. Okay, almost.
I'm not letting you cut that out.
Okay, bro. Okay. Like you're gonna be there when I edit this.
Me, myself, and I.
Bro, he was saying that I am a creep. Okay, on the road. I was back.
You said more in the way.
Bro, that auntie was walking in front of her. I think she got scared. Genuinely. I am a creep. Which is so obviously anyone will get scared. Mozzarella. Mozzarella. Do I sound crazy? Bro, this is on YouTube.
See, I'm not letting you cut that out.
Okay. Oh my god, it spewed water.
Obviously, it's gonna spew water. It's in vinegar.
It's in no, it's in water. Are you?
Your water.
He has issues, I think. He's cleaning the basin. Oh, this is cold. And so amazing looking. What the?
I'm cutting the mozzarella.
Okay, dear child, I just removed it. Okay.
Can I feel? I want to feel the mozzarella.
Creep.
Oh.
Okay. You cut.
Oh, very nice, very
Cut.
nice. How? Normal, like, just.
No.
Really?
No.
Cubes, ah.
No.
You're cubes, beka.
No.
Ah. The haldi's coming on. And
It's not haldi, it's tomato.
Oh, your tomato.
Lord save me.
Wow.
Little.
Give me also some.
It's plain cheese. Okay, cut however, but cut अच्छे से. I will get a nice plate for this. You didn't speak a word. What is this atrocity you've done?
This is how it's supposed to be cut. It's better than what you did.
What is this? Okay, whatever.
I'm not letting you cut that.
And we have balsamic sauce. This is what makes it it. This is what makes it it. Now I will do the
Work hard, play hard.
hard. Nice, huh? Nice. That's all you remove?
Yeah. Like what?
I'm putting this all in, bro. Your reputation. Bro, this is called God's work.
I'm not sharing it to my friends.
It is my favorite thing on planet Earth. It smells divine. Basils are something you should smell.
Unlike you.
You call me stinky?
Yeah, you are stinky.
Okay, bro. Okay, I get it. I'll do the plating till he does the nonsense. Someone should film me doing the plating. Plating is an art. An art.
You're not an art.
I am not an art. I said plating is an art. I get you hate me, but like still. Let's keep this on the side, okay? Our plating should be pretty. Don't add salt also.
I think I cut myself. I'm joking.
Idiot.
You think I'm that?
We have no stability.
We put a little salt.
To make this taste like it tastes like something. Because no salt, we need nothing.
No.
I say Veepa.
Dance further. I think he's gonna be like a raver, bro. Genuinely. He dances like he's at a rave. Yeah. Crazy.
Ye is coming to Orbis school. We gotta shout him. Ye?
Can you? 1 second. Can you please stop reading my messages?
Why is
You're not
ye?
allowed to read my messages.
Why is ye coming to Orbis, bro?
To send his daughter to Orbis, bro.
I'm putting the bath on it. You did the poopy. I also did the poopy.
It looks so pretty. Wait. Why did you put it so uglily?
You're ugly.
Okay, guys. We made the cupcake. It looks amazing. It looks amazing. And it tastes.
Unlike you.
And it tastes great. Okay, now if we delay dinner anymore, matar khilas. Bye. That's all for today's vlog.
Low-key height more you.
I'm still talking.
You're like, bro, you're on your toes.
What? I'm a lion. You're on your toes.
What do you mean?
Okay, bye. Say bye. Say bye.
Low-key
Say
height.
bye. Bye. Hi guys, we're here for a taste test. It's amazing. Okay, now seriously, bye. Say bye.